Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to share a photo story on Facebook using the new web update right from your PC. If you usually post stories on your phone, you'll be happy to know it's just as easy to do it from your computer now. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your homepage, take a look at the very top of your feed. You'll see the Stories section. That's where you'll find the option to create your own. Click the button that says Create a Story. Next, Facebook will give you a few choices for what kind of story you want to share. For this one, click Create a Photo Story. This means you'll be uploading a photo from your computer to appear as your story. When the file window opens, browse your computer for the photo you'd like to share. Once you've found it, click Open and Facebook will upload it into the story editor. Now, this is the fun part. You can adjust how your photo looks before posting. Use the crop and rotate tools if you want to center your picture, adjust the framing, or change the angle a bit. You can also move the image around to get it looking just the way you want. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and click Share to Story. That's it. Your photo story will be live for 24 hours, visible to your friends or followers depending on your privacy settings. And there you have it in just a few clicks. You can share your favorite moments right from Facebook on your computer. It's a quick, convenient way to keep your stories updated without ever needing to switch to your phone. If this guide helped you, take a moment to explore some of Facebook's newest story features and see what else you can create.